Let's see now where precision meets innovation. Watch as our automated lines bring LED modules to life with flawless painting. Here, we prepare stacks of LED modules ready for their perfect paint job. Every detail matters, and our close-up shots showcase the meticulous care we put into each module. Our advanced coating process ensures durability and protection, providing a robust finish to each module. Even in the heat of summer, our strict temperature control keeps production optimal. After coating, our modules dry in a controlled environment, ensuring top-notch quality. See the difference? Our gel application enhances durability and protection. Next, our modules undergo rigorous aging tests to ensure longevity and reliability. A peek behind the scenes shows our organized setup, designed for optimal performance. Detail is key. Check out the precision in our hanging ring setups for circular displays. Our modules are designed for easy disassembly, making maintenance a breeze. Sleek and slim, our LED screens are thinner than 2 iPhones stacked together. Continuous testing ensures our displays meet the highest standards of quality. In our showroom, massive LED screens light up the space, demonstrating our capabilities. Up close, you can see the advanced technology in our LED chips, driving unparalleled performance. From power to connectivity, every component is designed for excellence. With our easy installation design, simply connect the cables and let the magnets do the rest. Detailed craftsmanship is evident in every chip and connector. Our circular LED displays provide stunning visuals, perfect for any setting. Customized LED screens tailored to your needs, showcasing the ultimate in visual performance. Post-testing, our screens are carefully packed, ready for delivery. Each module is securely wrapped in foam, ensuring safe transit. Finally, our products are loaded and shipped, ready to impress at their new destination.